How to enable share button on Facebook Lite. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can enable share button on Facebook Lite if it is missing. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Facebook Lite application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now in order to enable share button, you have to change the post privacy settings. If the share button is missing, the post may be restricted its privacy settings. For that, you have to navigate to your profile. Now from your profile, you have to find the post. After that, tap on the three dot icon at the post. And here tap on change audience. Now from here, you have to change it to public instead of friends or only me. Then tap on done at the bottom of your interface. Now, the share button should be appear for others for this post. And if still the share button is not available, make sure that the application is updated. So open up Play Store in your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, search for the application and make sure the application is updated. If that is not available, then you can switch to regular Facebook application. Sometimes Facebook Lite hides the share button due to the limitation, so you can use the alternative as the Facebook regular application and check if the share button appears. So in that way, you can fix the share button not showing in the Facebook Lite. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.